I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions from Test 2015 Functions Grade 11. Given the graph of function f of x, sketch image y equals to f inverse of x. Show all steps. I'll show you two different methods of sketching inverse function from the graph, right? So first method is when f of x is given to us and we have to find f of inverse x. In that case, we can just swap the points, that is to say, interchange x and y values. So that is the result of inverse function. So let us take points one by one, starting from here. Let's say this is point A for us. So A is minus 8, 3. So we have A, which is minus 8, minus 3. Point B is 1, 2 minus 2 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so point B is minus 2 plus 3. Let this be point C. Let's say this is point C. It is 5 and 1, 2, 3. 5 and 3. C is 5 and 3. And let this be D, right? So D will be how much? This 5, 6, 7, 8 and 6. So D is 8 and 6 for us. Okay, so we have D here, which is 8 and 6. So these points will get reflected, right? Interchanged, I should say. And the second method will be to reflect the graph on x equals to y. So the first method is swapping the points. X changes to y, y changes to x. Then what do we get? So we get a dash, which is on the inverse function. That should be minus 3 minus 8. So just interchange, right? So we get b dash, which is 3 minus 2, c dash, which is 3, 5, and d dash, which will be 6 and 8, right? So that is how you can get your points. So a dash is minus 3, 8. That means 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is a dash. B dash 3, 2. So 3 is 1, 2, 3, and 2 is 1, 2. So there you are, 3, 2. Sorry, 3 minus 2, I'm sorry. 3 and minus, so that's not the point. 3 and minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Correct. So that is B dash for us. C dash is 3, 5. So it is 3 and 5 units. There you are. So that is C dash. D dash is 6, 8. So 6 and then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is D dash. Correct. Joining these points, we get inverse function. So we can join them. So that goes like this. Correct. Here we have a vertical line joining B dash and C dash, and then we have this straight line to D dash. So that gives you the inverse function, correct? So that is the inverse function for us. Now the alternate way is we could always reflect our graph on the line y equals to x. Now y equals to x will be a line like going through the diagonal, right? This point is y equals to x. Okay, so let me just sketch one. So this is the line which I'm saying y equals to x. Now if you reflect each point, then you should get the image point. Let me show you how to reflect. So let's start with D. So D is diagonally, if you see, one diagonal, so it goes to the other diagonal, right? So we get here. So this is what I mean. So it is one position and then one here. Mirror image, right? So same distance on both sides. C is one diagonal away, count another diagonal, you get C dash. As far as B is concerned, 1, 2 and a half. Half, 1, 2, you get it. A, 1, 2 and a half. Half, 1, 2, A dash. So reflecting on the line y equals to x and getting inverse is another way to find inverse function from the graph. I hope both the techniques are absolutely clear to you, and you will not have any difficulty in sketching inverse of a function from the given graph. Thank you.